You are now watching Farming with Duffy Ag.
Welcome back to the channel. What's it? Are we day 6 now? Maybe. I don't know. Everything blends together. So we're ready to go. Blew it off last night, just greased it. Gotta put some fuel in it, put some inoculant, and then we'll get down the road. But priorities. Gotta stay fed. Can't starve. It's a hell of a breakfast sandwich. So, Riverview, Billerica. Yeah. Austin's still here. We're partying it up. Hopefully he doesn't get stuck too much today. It's a recurring thing. That green truck, you know, it can get stuck anywhere. But alrighty, appreciate you guys watching, liking, being part of the channel. Let's dive into another day of chopping corn. Well, we're not off to a good start. Corn's pretty dry. I am absolutely buried. Yeah, we were going along good, and he stopped for this tree, and I said, I'll pull forward, I'll chop, and then you can go around. And well, I just sank. Like, I started there and I tried to get back once I realized I was stuck, and I got them going to get both tractors. They're gonna pull me out. Yeah, always something. Yeah, got both tractors. That got stuck getting back out. It's wet down here, so they brought the dump wagon. Comes right out. I'm thinking about attaching one to each side and just pulling back. Did I need 2 tractors? Probably not. But I was worried if they came down with one and then we sat around. But yeah, we were in there. We were definitely in there. There's a stand of water, so we're gonna avoid this little section. We're gonna leave the dump wagon down here, and let's keep going. So cleaned all the mud off, everything. Hopefully we're good to go. This morning's been rough, but if we don't battle through this wet ground, it's only gonna get wetter, and it's not gonna get any better in the corn. So we're pushing. Got the dump cart here. That's gonna make a big difference. Once we get opened up, we get out of the wetter corners and stuff like that, we'll be okay. The Mack, when they pulled it back, it grabbed the air line. Well, they actually pulled it back for the second time because they got stuck again. They grabbed the air line and pinched off the one side. I'm glad I got a set of fittings. I don't have a knife though. That might be a challenge. We'll find something and we'll cut it off. Hopefully I can get it out of here. Get stuck doing, I don't know what was going on.
Like always, the town garden people lock the gate, even though there's 3-4 massive pieces of equipment making a ton of noise that they drive by and acknowledge. They still shut the gate, as if I'm just gonna drive this truck, just limbo it right out underneath that. Luckily we do have the key and the chopper today, so where we are was actually where the lady last year hassled the trucks coming in and out because we were driving across the roadway, or across the grass. Since then well, that was there last year, native wildflowers. They fenced in this, they put some other shit over there, and people here are oblivious. Literally, there's gardens in the back, and we're chopping next to them.
people come in, they leave and they lock the gate. I do have the keys because I thought I had, but now I gotta drive up here and unlock the gate. It's like, why are you so confused? And they do have it changed the gate, and people are, in the previous comments said, why don't you just cut the lock and this and that? Well, there's like 500 people that have that key to that lock, so I'm not gonna cut a lock and then have to pay for 500 people's worth of stuff. Oh, my other truck's coming in too. So, all right, I'll get out. And by the way, this was where unlock it for me. This right here was where the lady said there's native endangered species of concerns were the comment in here. So I don't understand. Somebody did put up hog fence, I guess it is, with stakes and everything. We haven't run across it in a while, but it amazes me. Like, look at this job. Clearly a little weekend doer job. What is wrong with people? Down garden, people. Oh man. Shout out to ibuildmydiesel.com. Order all your diesel parts from them. I run stock everything, so I don't have any modifications, but maybe one day I'll wake up and I'll be a big spender and my truck will make all those cool noises. But till then, order them, get your parts, get hooked up with a shop. Been laughing you if I didn't get locked in. See, in most places, farmers don't have to deal with that. They'd cut the locks. They'd have some choice words with some people. Here we gotta play this game of, you know, everybody's sensitive. I would cut that lock some days. Hopefully nobody locks it again. But it slows me down. It takes 10 minutes out of my day that now my truck's sitting up there talking to the other truck, because that's what truck drivers do. And we had to stop and we did everything else. Like, one of the best parts of the day, when food gets here. We don't have that much of the big front here left, but then we got the back to do. The front is 10 acres. The back is like 5. We got all sorts of food coming on, and I think we got the mosquito, the newspaper. Here we are rolling into the center. Nice and easy. Not much traffic today. Townspeople must be working today. Wagon for master sauce, but we'll get it done.
flush on the mags cores. There's a lot of daily flushing going on with these trucks right now. But they love new fluid, so can't blame them for being old and thirsty. He's sinking. Wagon's in it now, though. There he goes. That is why we're pulling dump wagons through. Imagine that in the truck. I almost just got stuck. Is he gonna get out? Nope. I almost got stuck. He's stuck. Here goes in the AC. What is it? Too much sauce, not enough apple. Yeah, mud season. A lot of fun. A little bit left. After that stuck parade, we're probably gonna leave. Well, there's some here, but behind it, probably gonna leave that. There's like an acre and a half there that, yeah, we've been stuck 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, I think, trying to get to it. So it's just too wet, too freaking wet. So, and people are already sending me, oh, you need to tile that ground. The water level is like a foot below it right now because of how high the river is. So, where would we tile that to? Some people. Well, it's wet. It's always slightly wet back there, but it's really wet right now because of, well, we've been getting rain, and we're gonna get more rain tomorrow, I guess. So, we'll have to see on some of this wetter ground. This and that other piece of property that I replanted, that might have to wait a while till it dries out. Just what it is. This is all we got left, the wet spots, so we're gonna try to avoid some of it. We got Ross back in the tractor, dump wagon, hopefully finish as much as we can up here. There it goes, last load of this field. We did have to leave that corner, probably a half acre or so, which is really unfortunate because it is nice corn, but us getting stuck for the 6th time of the day is probably not that much fun. Get out, blow my radiator off. What'd you do? You went and tried to chase a rabbit? You didn't even get it. Yeah, this just gets caked up. And we'll go on to the next one. Next one is literally at the farm. Next 3 are. So there's no excuse why I sit around. Today I did a lot of sitting around. This is how it is. I'm really actually disappointed I can't chop that, but right there I almost got stuck with the chopper again, and one pass on the other side of that I buried the chopper, so
not worth it. There's like 8 rows from there around, and then there's whatever rows are there. Yeah, we'll get going. We're on the move, and this car behind me went around Ross, who is behind me with the dump wagon. And I'm not going any faster than Ross, so like this thing only does like 16. It's nice of them to go around us and then drive all over the yellow line the whole time, which is illegal to pass on a on a solid double line. There they go, solid double line. That's illegal in your Tesla. Yep, that's nice of them. In such a rush to go nowhere. Me and Ross are out here. We're moving. Oh, had to go around me to take a left here, right up the road. Like, saved them what? 10 seconds? Yeah, that's how you kill somebody, going around a piece of equipment that you cannot see around. This is the best corn I think we've chopped yet. Real nice. Perfect. For one pass around the field, dump trailer, I don't know, 3/4 full. Not a huge field, but good quality. It is getting dark. So in New York, let me turn on the light here. Oh, look at that. In New York, I got buddies that said they got 2 inches of rain today. I'm hoping we do not get 2 inches of rain. I'm hoping the trucks do something too. Hello? Hey. You can come in if you can.
Huh?
Come right in.
Okay.
Alrighty, Francisco's here. Dump wagon's loaded. Now we got some stuff going on here. So we are 75% done. Maybe just a little under. We got the mini loader moving so that the dozer can push it up. And then we got 2 tractors on the bunk. So they're filling the sides in because upper management didn't do a good job yesterday, and now they got to fill them and pack them. But yeah. Riding around with Ross. Ross has been opening up and running dump cart today. Andy flew drone last year.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
last day?
Yeah, I flew the drone last year.
Bulldozers are not really meant to pack with, but he's getting the edges. We'll have to spend some time up here tomorrow. Get all the edges. I don't know what he's waving to me at for. I'll flip this light off so you can see what's going on. Yeah, quite a bit of feed up here. We gotta do some edges and I figured I'd come right along before I blew the machine off. Give you guys a little insight of what's going on the pit. Just checking everything. Got some halfway cracked. They're cracked through. Like you can see the line through the middle, so those are good. Yeah, all the kernels are nice. That's the biggest piece I found yet, and still it's been processed so it falls right apart. These longer pieces, that's just part of dryer feed. New shear bar knives are all good. Yeah. That looks pretty good though. Haven't found a full kernel, so that is a plus. So, Andy's here, supervising. You driving truck tomorrow? Yeah. Driving truck. We're losing Austin. He's got to go home.
or he's going home. But yeah, I gotta go blow the machine off. So I appreciate you guys watching along, liking, subscribing, being part of everything. And well, we got more of this action coming, so I'll see you guys on the next video. What do they gotta do?
Oh, like and subscribe.
Have a good one.